Hello, how are you? Family of Telemathematics. Welcome to a new video of our channel. So let's get started. Have you ever wondered how to break down a large number into parts that cannot be simplified any further? If you don't know, that's what we do with prime factorization. We find the basic building blocks of the number. First things first. What is a prime number? It is a natural number greater than 1 that is only divisible by 1 and itself. Understanding prime numbers is key because in prime factorization, we are going to use those numbers as fundamental building blocks. Now, prime factorization consists of expressing a number as a product of prime numbers. For example, the number 84 has been decomposed into the product of 42 times 2, 21 times 2, and 7 times 3, where the number 2, the number 3, and the number 7 are prime and cannot be simplified any further. This process can be better visualized in a tree diagram, which we will see later. Now, what is this used for? To calculate the least common multiple and the greatest common factor, where prime factors are the key to seeing what two or more numbers have in common, among other things. And best of all, visualizing this process makes it much easier to understand. So let's look at a step-by-step example. We are going to make the prime factor tree for the number 360. We divide 360 by 2 and get 180. We divide 180 by 2 and get 90. We divide 90 by 2 and get 45. We divide 45 by 3 and get 15. And we can write 15 as the product of two prime numbers, 5 and 3. Then we can write the number 360 as the product of all those prime numbers. This product can also be written as the product of powers, that is, the product of 2 times 2 times 2, which can be written as 2 cubed. The product of 3 times 3 can be written as 3 squared, and the multiplication by 5. And this would be the prime factorization of the number 360. Easy to see, hard to forget. So, now you know how to factor a number into its prime factors, why it is so important, and how to apply it visually. Remember, never consider studying as an obligation, but as an opportunity to delve into the beautiful and wonderful world of knowledge.
If you liked the video, I encourage you to give it a like, to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and to activate notifications so you can see the new topics that we will be releasing, to leave us your comments, and to share it with your friends. Until the next video,